Hi there. In this video we are going to be taking a look at this Lohuis, I don't know, LED panel, 40 watt, 3600 lumens, 40,000 K color, and it has a bigger than 80 color reproduction index, which should be good. So it's 60 by 60 centimeters, and we should be able to install it in this boiler room slash new YouTube headquarters for my channel, and it should provide just general lighting, not work light for me. That will be provided by other panels. So let's get into this and see what we have here. This was bought from Dedeman, and it should be quite slim, and I kind of need to use both hands to get it out, so be back in a second. I must be honest, I was expecting really low quality, but this thing at the first impression looks better made than some of the light fixtures that I'm installing in the house. I will link them in the description. So thick wires, this thing seems quite, I don't know, quite sturdy. The ones that I put inside the house are yeah, you know what I mean, not that great, but yeah, anyway, wife likes them, so they stay. And they do put out enough light, but they are just cheaply made. Anyway, when they will break, we will get others. Anyway, this thing seems to be decently well built. Let me see if I can turn it around for you. And it's just a piece of plastic through which light will come out, and basically that's about it. And let's install it on the wall. You can see here a hole, so all of the corners have one of these holes that will be used to mount them on the ceiling, not the wall, and then cover them with these caps, and they will be installed right there. So let me mark some holes and install this thing. Okay, put the plastic pieces in the gypsum board. These are not the provided ones, because those are for standard cement, bricks and whatnot, but for gypsum board I have these kind of pieces, obviously exactly marked with the holes, and now my father will help me to hold this thing in place while I do the connections and start to put in the screws, because yeah, by yourself it's quite impossible to do this. Tackling this in another way, removed this and put some of these metal protections on the wires just to make them a bit stronger so they don't get cut by these screws. And I will do the connections on this, and hopefully this is much quicker to connect. Yeah, maybe one person job or barely, we will see. As you can see, this thing is hanging in there, and we will connect it to that. Okay, it's installed and looking perfectly. And just wanted to mention, those rubbers at the end are actually rubbers, so they are rubber caps. That's quite nice. And yeah, this is what I used to install it onto the wall, onto the ceiling, sorry about that. So it's special for, I think they are called drywalls or something like that. Anyway, so the only thing left is to test this. Okay, so let's give this thing a test and see how it works. Ooh, and it's a really nice light. Yeah, it's nothing much that you can see in here, but the light itself is really nice, really neutral, uniform. Yep, and it seems to be working perfectly, no flicker or stuff like that. So yep, this is a recommended buy. I'm happy I bought it. So yeah, that's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.